I'm Spencer Klassen, and I'm a field applications engineer for Western Canada and Northwestern United States. I grew up in rural Ontario, and I grew up playing competitive hockey, as well as riding dirt bikes and tinkering on engines and different mechanical machines. After going to school for mechanical engineering at University of Windsor, I was looking for field engineering positions, so that was the most important thing that I was looking for, was being able to apply my skills. The most exciting thing has been going to customer sites and seeing our products in use, seeing how they benefit the customer. I'm really looking forward to building my skills as an engineer and being able to consult customers and to be able to support them in their needs and to just do a really good job.